Yo guys, welcome back. It's raining like crazy. Look how rainy it is right now. It's like pouring heavy rain. Look at this. I hope I don't fall and break my legs. Yeah, the rain is like intense. But yeah. Ugh. It's so windy, my hood flew off literally. But yeah, taking a walk. Just decided to go for a walk for a little bit before my phone battery dies. Oh, that's a loud truck. Yeah, it's loud. But yeah, I mean, like, I'm happy today that I attended my interview. But at the same time, it's like, it sucks that, like, I have to start tomorrow, if they even hire me. And, it's like so far away, because technically the interview was, like, really close to me. It was really close. It was, like 8 minutes away from my house, but that building has full people right now. So now they're like thinking of sending me like 30 minutes up north. But he said he'll call me, but never did so far. So maybe I won't even get the job. Maybe I will, but maybe I won't. Hold on. Just increase my brightness because my phone battery is at like 5%. It's like really low. Ugh, it's so cold. It's like 13 degrees or whatever. But yeah, my phone battery's gonna like die too very soon. Yeah. That's where Pennywise lives. And I gotta watch like the second chapter 2 of It. That looks cool. I've only seen like the first one, not the second one though. Oh fuck, my phone battery's at 4%. It's getting kind of low. Why does my phone always have to have a low battery? Like, why is it that when I'm home, my battery's full? And then when I have to go out somewhere, it's like, it's always like low battery. Look at this, my umbrella. Ugh. Jeez, it's windy. I'm sorry if you guys have a hard time hearing me. It's just really windy and rainy and my umbrella's falling. But yeah. Someone has like a garden area here. It's pretty cool. I think you guys saw me come here in like the winter a few times. I don't know. Someone left their bicycle here. Oh, fuck. It's so windy. 3% battery. Look, my shoes are wet. Oh. Look how windy it is. It's so windy. Again, I apologize if you can't hear me. It's windy out there, like some strong rain today. I love the rain. I'm so happy. That's why I went outside, because it's a good day today. But yeah, my phone battery is about to die. So thank you guys for watching. I know my hair is like messy. But yeah.